can you?
Yeah.
Yeah,
You can sit here. Daddy, you can sit here.
I know. Let me do 360.
Hello, everybody. Today we're in the park, going to the maze. Soon we're having so much fun in the museum.
All right. That's coming from Marcus the vlogger.
And we found some logs.
Big logs.
Yesterday we seen these big logs from trees.
Massive logs.
Massive logs. We can see the view in the logs. What?
Nothing.
Look, and
These logs.
hey, hey. Hey, there's another log.
That's, yeah. Come back, Marcus. Come back.
Wait, let's see if I can jump over this log.
No. You can't hurt yourself.
I stand on it. And now we just did. You see mud? Oh, what the mud? Ta-da-da! Actually, these superhero. Daddy, can we go to the maze first?
Afterwards, we're going for the first round.
You know